Yeah, but if you're spending any time outside, be careful. We do have a heat advisory that's in place until 8 this evening. It does not look like this will be extended because we do see some relief this weekend, but I got to tell you, it's short-lived. We'll be in the mid-90s tomorrow, back into the triple digits next week. So the heat index today could get up to about 110 in some spots. The Metroplex closer to about 107. There is also an elevated fire danger. It includes I-35, including Tarrant, Dallas County to the west. This is for the high heat, the dry fuels in place, and a dry breeze that's moving over the area that further dries out our soil. Right now, we have drought status that's worsened over the last week. Our latest update does show severe drought for Wise, Denton, Tarrant, Parker counties, and some spots to the southwest of the Metroplex. That's where we happen to have that elevated fire threat for this afternoon. So Fort Worth right now, seeing a mix of sunshine and cloud cover, 94 degrees, but it only feels like 96. That is quite a bit different from the last few days. We're not warming as fast. 92 right now at DFW. It feels like 95. The wind is out of the west at about 10 miles per hour. And throughout the day, we'll notice that wind shift. But for the moment, 91 in Bowie, 90 for Gainesville and in Sherman. If you're south of the Metroplex, temperatures are already in the mid-90s. The heat index close to 100 in some spots, with already 100 in Hillsborough, 96 in Denton, 94 in McKinney. Okay, so today, I think we still make it to about 97 degrees around 1. It's a couple degrees lower than yesterday, 101 around 3 and 102 around 5. Southwest to west wind at 5 to 10 miles per hour. This evening, we'll see a wind shift because of a front moving through the area. But before that front gets here, we still make it to the triple digits. 103 the high in Fort Worth, 102 in Denton, 101 in McKinney, 102 in Dallas. Today will be the 15th triple digit heat day of 2023 so far, and the 5th consecutive so far. And temperatures are going to drop off a tad. We call that a Texas cold front right in the summer. 102 today, 95 on Saturday, 97, 98 on Sunday, and triple digits do return for next week. Here's what's happening. That ridge of high pressure centering itself over the desert southwest, unfortunately bringing a prolonged heat wave there. And it then is going to move over the Four Corners. But that kind of opens up a window for us to see this front sneaking in. And that front is the reason why we have that cloud cover overhead. So if you step out, you'll see the cloud cover. That front eventually making it into DFW sometime between 5 and 6. It's looking a little drier, though. We're not looking at a good potential for rain. 10% coverage at best into the overnight. This is Saturday now around 5 in the morning. We could see a little shower popping up. The better opportunity for rain will be south of the area, unfortunately. It does look like Saturday by noon, if you haven't seen the rain, you're not going to see the rain. That front will already have shifted to the south and bringing in the rain potential for central Texas, east and southeast Texas as well. So if you're maybe heading in that direction, that's just something to keep in mind. We're not looking at a big rain potential for us. That front is the best opportunity that we have for the next 10 days. But with that being said, we could pick up maybe a trace between Albany, Haskell, Seymour, maybe a trace closer to Clarksville and Texarkana, southeast of the Metroplex. We could also see maybe up to a 10th over the next 10 days. And again, tonight and tomorrow morning is the best opportunity for that. We'll be in the mid-90s Saturday, upper 90s on Sunday. The triple digits will be back for next week. No records broken, just regular heat for us as we head towards the end of July. We could pick up several more triple digit heat days next week. We'll be back.